Indian Constitution, all parts in one line. Polity important topic. Part 1, Union and its territories. Article 1 to 4. Part 2, Citizenship. Article 5 to 11. Part 3, Fundamental Rights. Article 12 to 35. Part 4, Directive Principles of State Policy. Article 36 to 51. Part 4A, Fundamental Duties. Article 51A. Part 5, Union. Articles 52 to 151. Part 6, State. Articles 152 to 237. Part 7, repealed by the Constitution, 7th Amendment Act 1956. Part 8, Union Territories. Articles 239 to 242. Part 9, Panchayat. Article 243 to 243O. Part 9A, Municipalities. Article 243P to 243ZG. Part 10, Scheduled and Scheduled Tribe Areas. Articles 244 to 244A. Part 11, Relations between the Union and the States. Articles 245 to 263. Part 12, Finance, Property, Contracts and Suites. Article 264 to 300A. Part 13, Trade, Commerce and Intercourse within the territory of India. Articles 301 to 307. Part 40, Services under the Union and the States. Article 308 to 323. Part 14A, the Tribunal. Articles 323A to 323B. Part 15, Election. Article 324 to 329A. Part 16, Special Provisions related to certain classes. Article 330 to 342. Part 17, Official Language. Article 343 to 351. Part 18, Emergency Provisions. Articles 352 to 360. Part 19, Miscellaneous. Articles 361 to 367. Part 20, Amendment Articles of the Constitution. Part 21, Temporary, Transitional and Special Provisions. Articles 369 to 392. Part 12, Short Title, Commencement, Authoritative Text in Hindi and Repeal. Articles 393 to 395.